Sorry.
I'll go through.
Only 2 years left. All rest are finished.
You
Look at
demolish the rest.
Look at this.
तूने आज शेव भी नहीं कराया?
Bro, इसने मेरे को कराने ही नहीं दिया.
Good.
मैं गोलगप्पे खिला के
ये
लाया.
कौन सी बियर है भाई?
He can pronounce it. Feldschluben.
Feldschlossen. Okay. Feldschlossen.
Sloschen.
Sloschen. Sloschen. Yeah, because that's an S.
Whatever it is, bro.
Yeah, man.
So,
Yeah, because I was thinking about, you know how Robert Downey Jr. is the last guy to ever pull off the blackface without getting like he did it successfully.
Yeah,
He didn't
he's,
get
he's
shit
the only,
He's the only-
white. He's the only white man that we would allow to do it.
We were allowed to do it back in that day. Now you couldn't make
तू
that.
भी क्या बोल रहा है?
I don't know, we as a culture, we as a society.
Oh.
We live in a society.
I meant we as black men.
तू ऐसे क्या पढ़ाने?
What do you mean?
हाँ,
that's-
मेरे घुटने तो नहीं दिख रहे.
Well, you know I have opinions about these things.
You have opinions about everything.
Yes. Well,
Opinions.
oh my god. Well then get started then.
Wait,
I already started rolling. Started recording.
Start roll.
It is. I literally just said I've already started.
That's not what I meant. मैं क्लास कैंसिल कर लूं अब एक्सेल की वो 10 बजे क्लास है मेरी.
हाँ.
ऐसा कुछ होने नहीं
वो
वाला.
तो मैं करना तो तुम मैं उसको क्या बोलते ब्लर करूंगा तुम करो बैठ जाओ.
नहीं.
Yes.
What do you mean yes?
हाँ मार्च में
You're
आएगा.
an hour and 10 minutes late. Fuck you
How
guys.
is that?
Fuck you guys. Fuck you.
How did we get so late? इसको गोलगप्पे खाने थे साले को.
Oh! This fucker! He wanted to go. Fuck you, side. मैंने तो उसको शेव कराने से रोका है.
Yeah, man. Listen, you gotta do it on screen, and
Yep.
I'll blur it. I'll do the editing thing, but you gotta do it on
हाँ
screen.
ठीक
I'm
है
not
कर
fucking-
लेंगे.
Yeah, who
ये
gives a
इसको
fuck?
पता नहीं अपने मुंह छेड़ने का पता नहीं क्या है. इसको
Yeah,
चर्बी
man.
मची हुई है.
Yeah, first of all, I'm on the podcast with a beard on. Like it's.
Yeah, I see that. I see that. Yeah.
Yeah, that's better.
Today's the first day you look like a hood N word.
Do you not agree?
Get out of my way, bro. You're so.
चुप Do you? Shut
Hey,
up.
bro, you can't keep this over.
मेरे को पता
It
नहीं
blocks my face.
कहाँ भैंचो गुड़गांव के गांव में.
खुद लगा. तेरे आए बगैर मैं कैसे कर सकता हूँ?
No, I know, but I'm just
कुर्सी
telling
को
you.
थोड़ा सा, हाँ, just make sure it's in.
Some bloody Haryanan villages I had to drive through for this motherfucker today.
Hariyanan.
Haryanan.
हाँ, anglicizing it. Haryanan.
I guess Haryanan.
Haryanan.
Bro, he फालतू में इसको नाटक करना है.
हाँ,
कोई गाँव नहीं था.
Haryanese.
थोड़ा बहुत था तो गाँव था.
We traveled on a fucking 16 lane highway.
But we also
and
went to
with a speed limit of
Kapashera.
100.
But we also went to Kapashera. Okay?
Hold on. You took some bad routes. What happened?
No bad.
No, the route is bad
Bro,
only.
it is just the route that he took to Gurgaon.
अगर ये मनहूस मंजिल है तो रास्ता कैसे अच्छा हो सकता है?
तू
Hello?
गुड़गांव से क्या फर्क पड़ता है जब तुम वापसी में तुमने क्या करा है?
वापसी द्वारका एक्सप्रेसवे है ब्रो.
अच्छा.
जिसके मैं चर्चे करते गाता रहता हूँ.
Which connected to Rautwala Ram anyway.
I could tell when you send that fucking video. I'm like these, yeah, you spent time going to the Theka, getting your fucking golgappas and shit.
He wanted Golgappas.
No, fuck you, sideways. You liar.
What do you
He's
mean
this
sideways?
Fuck you sideways.
तूने 4 खाया है, मैंने 2 खाए हैं. ये तो 2 प्लेट में खा रहा था. मैं तो कह रहा था पहले तो मुझे करना ही नहीं था. मैं तो उसको कह रहा था गाड़ी में बैठ और निकलते
I
हैं.
swear to God, but dude, ये मेरे इलाके में आया है और मैं इसको अपने गोलगप्पे नहीं खिलाऊंगा.
तेरे गोलगप्पे तो खाने में मुझे. अपने गोलगप्पे अपने पास रख साले जिप बंद करके.
You gotta taste my balls if you come to my.
और ये एक ही चीज बोली जा रहा था. Bro, these are so big. And he's swallowing them like an expert, huh?
These were the biggest golgappas
वो
I've ever
ये
seen in my life.
हाँ ये इतने बड़े
Giant golgappas,
इतने
bro.
बड़े मैंने कभी नहीं देखे और मुंह में ले रहा है पूरा. बदतमीज आदमी है.
मैं तुम दोनों को
But मेरे को शेव भी करानी
तुम
थी.
मिल
तो
मार
इसलिए
के
कराने
गोलगप्पे
नहीं
खा रहे
थी.
थे और ठीक है, you know.
तो मैं
You're a
ऐसे
little wet in, yeah.
बम मोड में आ.
हम हिंदू मुस्लिम यूनिटी बढ़ा रहे थे एक्चुअली.
कौन हिंदू? अच्छा तू.
कौन मुस्लिम? अच्छा तू.
मतलब मैं भी हिंदू ही हूँ. क्या रख दिया मेरे सामने?
Well, just because you're drinking a beer doesn't, you know.
नहीं ये कोल्ड ड्रिंक है.
Definitely does, bro. I can't claim to be Muslim and drink a beer.
No, but then again,
Why?
like, you yourself say the definition of Islam is not so rigid, and then
but in public, like it depends on what other people consider. I consider myself and my relationship
other
with
people
God
की माँ की भैंस is
separate
you and
from
your
what
relationship with Allah,
other
bro.
Muslim, yeah.
Yeah, it's, you know, it's a situationship with Allah. Maybe it's not a full relationship. Maybe you're not fully committed, but you know,
He certainly
you're situating in Islam. You know,
he certainly cheats. I'll tell you that.
Yeah.
Dude, that I cheated on my barber also, bro. I feel so bad now.
Damn dog.
Wasn't a way you all
Dude,
had
I
that kind of
found
relationship.
a new, younger, hipper, more knowledgeable barber.
Always, it's called the 7-year itch, no? 7 year you use one barber and then you're fucking done.
For me, it lasts 7 months. It's 7-month itch.
ठीक है.
Then I'm on to the next.
Yeah, well, you know, as long as you stick to the
Wow,
7.
someone
7.
moves fast.
The symbolism is the 7.
Actually, I also got a haircut today. I went and Guddu is Zurano.
Oh, this is after a haircut. Wow, I could. Really, you could fool me.
Guddu is big. Baal. I just had to trim
अच्छा
it
झाटों के
because,
थ्रू ट्रिम करवाए हैं.
because
It's
I'm-
Golgappas.
ये तो मुझे लंबे
Asshole
करने ही
bleach करा
है.
के है,
ये
तो
मुझे लंबे करने
Brazilian
ही है.
Golgappas trimmed.
Brazilian करा गया है.
गुड्डू गाँव
तो
गया है.
गुड्डू Brazilian भी करता है. Does he do Brazilian?
Who good?
जा पूछ क्या? जा पूछ क्या?
Guddu, his barber is Guddu.
Oh,
ना?
really?
Guddu Salmani.
He came for
Guddu
the shoot
Salmani,
also.
you
so
see
he
him on the
knows.
credits.
I thought
for
you're peddler.
For Duai. Yeah, no, yeah, that's a different Guddu. There's a lot of Guddus around.
Right.
Yeah.
Yeah.
He means for alcohol. Yeah.
Yes.
He had to clarify. He had to.
You gotta have, I mean, peddler बोलते हैं भाई कुछ भी हो सकता है यार.
Yeah, कुछ भी. मतलब
भाई
depends on
peddler बहुत
who
लोग
we're
बहुत
talking
बड़ी
about.
चीजें
You're peddling kids or some shit?
I haven't asked. But let me tell you something. He often sends, packages. He sends अपने ना rate list भेजता है कि इस हफ्ते के ये rate list deals है. साथ में फिर deals होती हैं कि if you buy 1 lakh of thing, then you'll get Marshall के speaker साथ में. कभी-कभी TV बेचता है. You send all of these things. I mean, he's boosting the wrong trucks. I'm imagining,
Bro, that's so funny. Like,
Yeah.
why
where he
This guy's a black market alcohol guy.
Bro,
Yeah,
you know what he does?
And he's giving
the bootlegger,
TVs
na?
and shit.
Bootlegger, because
Yeah.
of course,
You know what he does? He basically sells
Gurgaon ka?
alcohol in Gurgaon prices at Gurgaon prices in Delhi.
Oh wow.
Yeah.
That's cool.
Yeah, and it
So where do you think he's getting them from?
Dude, firstly, okay, sure, price is always a consideration. Secondly, it's the delivery factor. ये मेरी colony में रहता है. He lives across the road from me. He just fucking delivers booze when I want it.
Oh, brilliant.
Diwali party, we ran out of booze. 2 a.m. he sends booze. 2
Yeah.
years in a row he's done this. Because
What
2
else can
a.m.
you ask for?
2 a.m. we always end up running out because I always
हाँ.
think कि नहीं लोग इतनी शराब तो नहीं पिएंगे.
तो साले और खरीदा
12
कर.
बोतल तो नहीं पिएंगे ना. चलो ठीक है 16 लेनी पड़ेगी. Like I fucking
अच्छा.
then you
हाँ,
gotta-
बुलाता भी तो ऐसे भड़ुए हैं और कुछ भी जाते हैं कभी भी.
ये मेरी तरफ इशारा क्यों था?
हाँ?
तू बड़ा कम पीता है. हैं?
Deflect,
Exhibit A भाई जो example होगा उसको
तू बड़ा 2 पैक में खत्म होने वाला इंसान है.
the
हैं?
nearest example available.
Deflect कर रहा हूँ.
अच्छा.
अबे मेरे को तो ठर्रा पीना था. ये पता नहीं क्या.
He asked me.
ठर्रा पीना
Bro, he asked me. He's convincing me also.
अबे तेरी गाड़ी दुकान में क्या गई तू साला ठंडे पीने की हालात में आ गया मतलब
Bro,
कि भाई
when-
बताओ तो इतने मनहूस हो गए तुम. Sorry,
He's
मायूस.
convincing me also. When we're passing the ठेका, he's like, सुन, actually ये तो है ही वो वाला ठेका, but वो पीछे दूसरा वाला भी ठर्रा पिएगा. And I'm like,
Like a genuine question.
and I'm like,
By the way, it's not like by like force of circumstance or whatever
No.
the fuck the way you say it, he has
नहीं,
to, yeah.
normal वाला ठेका with
Forced by circumstance.
हाँ, but he then I said नहीं, and he's like, he's asking me like all concerned, are you sure? I'm like, साले मैं तेरे को ना पूछूं ये. It's like
I
the
mean, it
whole.
could be a vibe. I don't know. That he was bougie like that.
We certainly don't know. We've never had Tharra before.
No,
Who,
I've
me?
had.
Who are you talking to? You know how many times I've had Tharra?
I think
You're
we
out
both
your
had.
mind.
I have had.
You said you never know it could be a vibe. The way
Bro,
you
you
said
remember
it was like,
Ballu?
yeah,
You remember Ballu?
Ballu कौन है?
मेरा ड्राइवर था.
Before Naushad.
After.
After Naushad. After
Along with.
Okay.
Yeah.
Right. He was in the family then because Naushad was your guy.
Yeah. I mean, Akshetan people would definitely remember him.
Okay, right.
But so.
नौशाद की तो कहानियां थी कि हाँ मेरे पहले वाले जो बॉस थे उनके साथ गाड़ी में नशे होते थे रंडियां आती थी ये सब
नहीं. So, you know.
गाड़ी में रंडियां ब्रो गाड़ी में ही नशे
नहीं.
नौशाद की
Colorful
कहानियां।
gentleman.
No, you're wrong. The reason why he left UP and his job as a driver in UP was because he was driving for some politician's kid or whatever, and this guy said follow this 2 bike walas. So they started following them, and then bhari dopahri mein, as soon as he got close to them, the kid, the passenger, he got out of the car with a katta, shot both of them, and then told Naushad to become the getaway driver and drive off.
Damn.
So
son.
Naushad became an
Naushad
accomplice
was-
to murder.
Naushad's the original baby driver.
I think Naushad was in on it from the beginning. But
No, bro, he ran away from UP
No,
and
but
came to Delhi
That's fucked. Yeah.
because that
No,
was
but
the
I'm sure
reason.
there's a lot of people who get taken advantage of in that situation, right? Where someone who's like
He became an accomplice to a murder all of a sudden.
Yeah.
He was just a driver.
yeah.
You
well,
know?
good thing you're changing his
Well, I
name
mean,
and
if
not
you-
using his real name.
Dude, anything I did was literally like baby shit compared to what he had been through in UP.
The bar was too high.
Yeah, so it's like
yeah. That's pretty funny. So then, who's the driver with the story about the ex-boss with the randia and the booze and shit like that? That was also Naushad, man.
what? There were no randis in his car though.
अबे यार दूसरा कोई ex-boss था जिसकी कहानियां थी उसने मुझे सुनाई है हाँ.
Yes, because he was a MP.
राइट तो होगा उसका बच्चा उसका रंडीबाज
Yeah.
होगा उसका बेटा यार
Yeah, yeah.
होएगा कोई होते हैं
होती
Yeah.
तो है अबे इनफैक्ट जिस जहाँ पे हम हैं आई डोंट वांट टू डॉक्स अस बट राइट आउटसाइड ऑफ हियर देयर इज अ फुल रंडी खाना
yes
on the streets literally they will block the main road दो
Yes.
लेन की सड़क है और दोनों लेन
and by the way they're all
Hold on,
trannies.
let me explain though.
They're all trannies
let me explain the,
Okay.
the cars will block the whole fucking 2 lanes because they're all picking up
Yes.
hookers off the street
yes
right outside
this is right by the 24/7 in Green Park
हाँ.
Thanks. I have a question. What does docs mean?
dogs means our location Give out-
doxing on the internet is when you reveal someone's location address etc you know
Yeah.
personal details that will reveal their identity or you know their
or where
place-
they live
or
where they are
place
where
of
they
residence
live, yeah.
exactly yeah this is not some internet slang thing even journalists use this
Okay,
so this
okay.
is like
Yeah,
I
it's a
never
thing.
know with him.
yes exactly you know
Yeah.
you're good to inquire yes
bro you guys will learn someday don't worry
no the thing is I know I refuse to practice
English 2.0. We were thinking about that on the way here, weren't we?
no, you were
what
thinking
were we thinking about it
what's some very complex thoughts with words like
bro we were listening to fucking kabhi kabhi aditi
bus
on the way here
I could hear some fucking tracks you played what are the
And मैं हूं ना के गाने भी सुन के
हाँ
आ
मैं
रहे
हूं
थे.
ना क्या वो मैं हूं ना का ही गाना था ठीक है उसमें भाई उसमें सुष्मिता सेन क्या
क्या
piece
bomb
थी,
है, हाँ,
क्या
बस,
पीस
बस,
थी
बस.
fuck man
Yeah.
that's like peak
Bro, how
Sushmita.
the fuck did she end up dating Lalit Modi?
ये गाड़ी से आया वीडियो गाइस तो मुझे लगता है हम बड़े कूल हैं ये चूतिए हैं मैं हूं आई गेस यू नो लाइक आई डोंट फकिंग डू दिस शिट
मेरा भाई सुष्मिता सेन और ललित मोदी का अफेयर का पता है?
यस
IPL वाला ललित मोदी.
I know
वो गुलाब जामुन looking.
yeah
Bro. And he became such a simp, right? Instagram पे. he
bro
was
so you
always-
should be happy there's still hope for you
नहीं, she dumped
No,
him, bro. She dumped him. Hold on.
you think he's got the wherewithal to pull off a scam like he did this guy has no hope
Bro,
there's no hope
this guy posted like
You're
six
too
shairi.
lazy to
This
achieve
guy
anything.
posted like 6 shairis on Twitter in like a week. She's like, I'm done with you, bro.
yeah
Mm.
but like yeah she can be with anyone she wants bro she's a fucking gorgeous
She's got a daughter and stuff. I mean, she's already, I believe, yeah. But also, like now she's also gotten that old lady face.
she's not she
Speaking
doesn't
of
look
face-
old bro
She does. I don't know if you've seen her recently. Yes, she does. By the way, speaking of face, did you see Rajkumar Rao got plastic surgery? Got like a fucking face job done.
face job क्या होता है
मुझे नहीं पता यार. I don't know what the fuck nose job होता है तो मेरे को लगा face job भी होता है. I don't know, man. He's got his face done. Did you see that? Rajkumar Rao's got his face done. He's got
Why?
dude
don't
if you show me a bit of before and after I'll be able to tell what he got done
Okay, we'll go for it. You have the internet on your phone.
Ha, it's good that we have an in-house expert.
it's surgeon
Cosmetic.
Exactly,
Yes.
yeah.
Expert,
And I don't know
not
if any
surgeon.
of you've seen Fighter. I haven't.
He exposed the Kardashians actually.
Right.
इसी ने तो किया था.
Uh-huh. Exposed.
dude the Kardashians have probably got stuff
All
done
of their-
that I don't even that
They've
doesn't
got
even
so much.
exist
Yes,
Arey, because for
cutting
so-
edge, cutting
for
edge.
so
By
long-
the way, they're probably like at the place where they're requesting bespoke surgeries that are being invented for them.
yeah exactly
yeah.
in fact I look up to them for the
What the fuck?
yeah
Yeah. Anyway, I mean,
ये देख रहा है?
Rajkumar Rao got a new face and
देखा
it's-
तूने?
It's not. I mean, there's like 19-20 का फर्क है.
तुम लोग कराओगे प्लास्टिक सर्जरी
पागल है क्या?
would you even
मैं
consider
बाल ना रंगवाऊं जो मेरे ग्रे होते हैं. मैं प्लास्टिक सर्जरी
it?
कराऊंगा.
why not what is why this aversion to plastic surgery
natural. I like natural. That's it.
देख, I'm
I'm all
completely for it, बदसूरत लोगों के लिए. लेकिन हमें तो खुदा ने सब बख्शा है, हमें कोई जरूरत
नहीं
नहीं है.
देख एक बात बता.
नहीं I think बदसूरत कोई नहीं होता
If
नहीं
nobody's बदसूरत.
ओहो, मैं दिखा दूंगा लोग तेरे को.
नहीं होता
No, but if there was an accident and there was like massive scars and shit like that, if I had to
right that's
correct-
different
yeah,
that's what
correct
I'm saying
something, but
I'm
no.
saying
Nah.
for
Like
aesthetic.
restorative or something.
Exactly,
Yeah.
it's not for me.
but it's like if you're insecure about something like if
I'm
you
not
think
though, no,
you have a big no I know you are not but like
yeah.
I'm asking why this aversion to plastic because if somebody is like oh I don't like my nose
हाँ, किसी को लंड जैसे नाक में लियो तो
so
क्या करेगा?
they get their nose
तो मैं बाकी लोगों को थोड़ा ना बोल रहा हूँ, मैं खुद नहीं कराऊंगा यार. It's not for me.
right
That's all I'm saying.
yeah
Yeah. But also yes.
but
Like,
you just said na ki all natural like what does that also is that also with like women
also true for romantic partners, but only to the extent that I want to get married to them. If I'm just fucking them, who gives a fuck? Yeah,
Right.
sure. It's a prettier face to fuck. Yes, I'm down. But
I don't think it should तो botox भी नहीं कराएगा कभी
पागल है क्या?
ब्रो तेरे यहाँ पे ऐसे wrinkles हो गए, यहाँ wrinkles हो गए, तो
भाई
क्या करेगा
अगर मेरी
फिर तू?
उम्र हो गई है 65 साल की, तो थोड़े रिंकल आएंगे तो वो बोलेंगे, oh you are your age, you look your age, that's fine dude,
Okay.
it's not a big deal to me really.
To me that doesn't make any sense.
हाँ तू भी 65
That's
में साला
crazy to me.
25 लगना चाहता है.
Yeah, sure, fine, yeah, that's good.
Bro,
Bro,
तो
there-
अभी से
by the way,
दाढ़ी को जैसे देखो, I probably look 40 years old.
By the way, so there's different cultures
relax
have different
yourself.
opinions about these things, because we did this in our freshman class about plastic surgery. The thing was also only about plastic surgery, and I'm sure we've spoken about this actually previously also, about how in Korea there's this culture of getting your double eyelid removal or added, whatever the fuck it is.
added.
And so like parents gift this to their daughters,
This surgery,
their
yeah, yeah,
graduation,
yeah.
and there's like packages where moms and daughters get it done
Yeah.
together. And in Brazil it's actually considered a right. Your appearance is thought to give you better economic prospects and all of that. So the state's
true.
so the state's National Health Service gives you plastic surgery. They cover it.
That's crazy.
Yes,
That's
the state
nuts,
covers
actually.
it. Yeah, because they think it's like one of those things.
No, what do you mean they think? It's a true fact.
Understand? Yes,
Pretty people
I
have
do
it
agree,
easier.
yeah, but yeah, there's a difference between it being
Conventionally pretty
common
people.
practice as opposed to being state policy that
Right,
your
that is
appearance,
weird. Yeah,
appearance
yeah, I
opens.
agree.
It's like it's an equality of opportunity standard where you give people
Yeah.
education, they also give people plastic surgery.
Yeah,
So
yeah,
वो अलग scene है. It's fun. I mean, it's interesting.
I mean, even without the plastic surgery, Brazilian people are some of the most beautiful people on the planet.
हाँ but उनमें भी काफी बदसूरत
And
लोग हैं.
Koreans का क्या होता है ना? They have a very conventional or a very what they understand as conventional beauty.
Chinese people.
Even Koreans to an extent they
The Koreans have
Natha Singh, Prem Singh, one and the same thing.
yeah, like they have certain features that they consider beautiful and certain features that they consider like ugly.
right.
So I mean
Big
those
dicks,
features
big-
that they don't consider
Big dicks are ugly.
no, even the features that they don't consider pretty can be pretty. You know what I mean? Like they can work. It's just that in their weird conventional mindset of what a perfect
Yeah.
person, a perfect male or perfect female looks like,
Yeah.
if they they don't look like that, then they feel like they're inadequate.
Yeah.
Which I mean, I dated a Korean girl and she had the same like thing about plastic. She was a makeup artist,
Right. Yeah. So there's like
and
a
I've always seen her fucking caked up, and
yeah. Yeah.
she would never leave the house without.
This is often is the case where where you're doing a shoot, the model walks in, you're like, wait, what? And then she puts on makeup, like, oh, that's your face, is it? Interesting.
सब
Nice
कटरीना कैफ नहीं हो
Nice to meet
सकती.
your Instagram profile.
भाई
Finally,
fact सब
this is the case, bro.
they can't all be Katrina Kaif or whatever. bro.
Right. Right.
Bro, you have to date someone for 3 months before you actually see what they really look like. Before the big reveal.
Bit of a gamble, ain't it? What if you ended up with a complete uggo?
No, you can't be complete uggo. You can't change your face. You only
Some people, I've seen enough Instagram.
You can if
reels.
you want to, bro,
Yeah,
if you got the
yeah,
money.
yes.
right. I mean, with the filters and stuff.
No, even some people do makeup so well.
Ah.
I've seen like Instagram
But
reels
you
where-
should be able to tell. I mean, that much about makeup.
and they can
I
do
know.
Indian
Where
makeup,
they add,
Chinese
like they
makeup.
add like
yeah.
lines and stuff. Those things.
I can see like
These
bronzer.
I
I
can-
can
What
see
lines?
certain things. Yeah.
Yeah, because like ऐसे तो eyeliner से ऐसे कर दिया, and like those things when you remove,
Oh,
it's a
that's
very,
some
it's
basic
it's
shit,
a
man.
dud face as opposed to
Once you get like a pro at makeup, there's like color theory that
ये
they do.
बेसिकली किसको मेकअप के साथ देखता है, ये अपना एक्सरे विजन मारता है,
For
तो
concealing.
देखता है ये आईब्राउ के नीचे क्या है.
भाई अब क्या वो टाइम आ गया वोटी ढूंढने का.
क्या ढूंढने का?
Whatty.
What the hell is a whatty?
Whatty
Whatty
बीवी नु.
वॉटी लबंदा टाइम आ गया भाई.
Bro, जमाना बदल गया. Whatty तुम्हें
जमाना नहीं, आदमी
choose
बदल
करेगी.
रहा है.
हैं?
हाँ?
Huh?
हैं?
What?
हैं?
What were you saying? Whatty? What do you what
Whatty?
what
What
were you saying?
what is saying?
What were you saying?
Never mind. Anyway, और क्या हुआ आजकल इस
पता नहीं, पर अभी
इस वीक में?
अभी चीयर्स हो जाए. और मैंने नार्कोस देखना शुरू कर लिया फाइनली अपने
Oh.
लाइफ में.
Okay.
मैं सीजन 2 पे आ चुका हूँ.
Oh, right. I only saw the first season a little bit, and then I was like, okay, whatever.
हाँ.
Dude, I wish I had more time to fucking watch.
क्या बात कर
random
रहा है?
shit.
नार्कोस पाब्लो वाला. Crazy. I am big fan
Yeah, sure.
of Pablo Sex 2 बार.
Huh.
And
Yeah, I don't know. I just
अच्छा है यार.
didn't appeal to me like.
क्या बात कर रहा है?
That's fine. Yeah. Even
But you were not part of the drug trade, no?
You don't get it.
right. It's only
You ain't from the hood, bro. You don't know.
I'm not.
You don't know.
It's not.
He got no clue.
It's not.
On my mom's, yo.
Shut up.
Good one.
Sorry, yes, go on.
It's not the. I'm not part of the target market. Whatever. Total address. Whatever the fuck it is. Target audience.
Yeah, but because I had some dealings with the cartel.
Hey man, I like the Cubans and whatever the fuck. I pop on some Dominicans. And
I really relate to Pablo Escobar because had I stayed fat, I would have looked the same at 40. Like, that.
But I'll tell you what it is.
But you'd have to grow the
what?
stash.
Maybe I'll tell you what it is. After watching Breaking Bad, that show did the drug landscape so well that maybe Narcos was just felt.
Okay, so
not
good.
as-
Narcos is historical. as
Good
well.
thing I have not seen Breaking Bad.
Sure, and I don't care. Like yeah,
Right.
like मेरे लिए पता है क्या है? Like
I-
biopics and like that kind of shit is not as
No,
interesting.
I mean
as
they've taken their liberties in it in Narcos.
Huh,
but
sure, and as you always do. You're never
Yeah.
gonna have like an accurate. You're not gonna have a
Yeah.
Wikipedia page, bro.
Of course
That's
not.
gonna be boring as fuck.
No, some people's lives. I mean, dude, मेरे पे movie बनाओ.
अरे नहीं यार. Right. Sure. Fair enough.
There are other ways to make a loss.
Fair enough. No, but
Fair enough.
you still for the purpose of the medium, you have to add and you have to
Of course,
embellish
yeah,
and you
of
have
course,
to,
of
you know,
course,
yeah.
Of course, yeah.
You often,
But,
because-
Narcos
but with this
what
show-
you also do is you also, you club characters. You make a composite of many characters into one to be able to make
Right.
anyone. Whatever.
No, but I'll tell you
What
with
do
this show, what they do is they also then at lots of points, in fact, they'll show you real footage from that point in time, like from actual video footage from
Yeah, exactly.
Colombia
So-
at that time.
so
So
the-
lots of
the-
the things, lots of
Yeah,
things are not embellishments
you're
and
cheating.
whatever.
You're cheating because you're not competent enough to make the audience feel what you want them to feel with your own vision.
So you're
direction.
relying on-
So you're relying on historical. That's what
Fair, I didn't see it that way.
I mean, whatever.
That's
But
Anyway.
yes, it did.
I have my own fucking like ideas
yeah.
and
I
whatever.
have a different.
इसको
lens
तो
when
anime
I'm-
भी नहीं पसंद.
When I'm watching shit like that, I'm watching through a different lens. I mean, anyways, I have to watch fucking movies for a fucking living,
Mhm.
and so those I'm looking at them very differently when I'm watching a show like Narcos, which I don't get the time to watch for.
You're
any
looking at it from a point of view of a commercial product, but like think about it this way.
Not when I'm watching something like Narcos, though. I'm
Okay.
literally just turning my brain off and trying to enjoy it, as opposed to how I watch films in general, which is
No, but I mean it's one of those things, but I can't turn it off. Like it's just
I
I'm
think
always
it's well
analyzing.
made. I think it's actually well made also, Narcos. But
Sure,
Yeah.
yeah.
but
Abhi
I do get the embellishment thing because there's no way that every woman in that story is super hot. I don't get
that's not even the point of contention.
yeah.
Bro.
हाँ नहीं वो नहीं है वो तो टीवी के लिए वैसे ही करते हैं because you want an attractive person to
नहीं आजकल they cast
Damn.
ugly people also to be realistic.
well that's because the left has gone nuts.
हाँ, they don't.
Ugly is crazy though. How the hell are you going?
करते हैं, bro.
Going to be sitting here calling people ugly?
Honestly,
Yeah, who are you?
he's such a pussy, bro.
What do you mean? I just don't think
Just
people
so
are ugly.
like unoffensive.
He's just talking about like sixes, man.
Yeah.
Fuck a sex. You gotta have a.
Yeah, Mr. Fours over here.
4+4, yeah.
Yeah, 4+4.
Okay.
Even Dave the rapper has corroborated how the
Yeah.
math works, bro.
Well, yeah,
Dave the rapper.
Maybe this is some hood math. Well, they're not the strongest with that.
They take what they can get.
People of the African American persuasion.
Abhi recently somebody
It's a persuasion.
He's certainly of the persuasion.
It's a persuasion.
Because race is a
he is a
construct.
persuasion.
Plus, race is a
No, for him,
construct.
it's actually a persuasion.
Exactly.
For them, it's a reality.
Exactly. He's just persuaded.
He's convinced himself he belongs.
I mean, race is a political construct after all.
true.
No, you don't know my life. You don't know me.
You don't know what I've been through.
You don't
Man,
know.
you don't know my lived experience,
You
man.
don't know. You don't know how I go and
Laugh it up. Laugh it up.
Bro, so ये जो अभी डिस बैटल में जज करके आ रहा हूँ ना, एक बंदे ने इतने एन बॉम्ब्स ड्रॉप किए
This as in like the black way of saying this battle or what?
like
this.
DISS.
Like katta competition.
Yes,
Okay, हाँ.
कट्टा competition but on a beat. इनका कट्टा competition ही था. Bro, we
Wait, ये
did.
Masters Union ने करा है?
Yes.
Yeah.
So I went to judge that inter-frat diss battle today. It was terrible.
This university.
This university.
This university. This university, man. This university gives me the heebie-jeebies. It gives me GD Goenka vibes.
Jigidi Goenka. Jigidi Goenka. Jigidi.
Jigdi Goenka.
Jigidi.
Jigdi Goenka vibes.
I'll never call it GD ever again.
Right.
Jigidi Goenka.
Yeah.
But yeah, bro. Yes.
Okay.
And-
There was a Dix battle.
So this battle, हाँ, like
This Dick's battle बोलते हैं
motherfuckers are so lame, bro.
right.
मैं भी diss करके उनको चला गया था.
Limp dick motherfuckers. Yeah. Limp
It
dick-
was
limp dick Dick's battle.
it was cute how they
और
were
तुझे
trying.
बुलाया जज करने के लिए.
हाँ, I'm the music
Yeah,
man.
what do you know?
जिसको बेइज्जती करना आता है नहीं जो
बस
नहीं,
बेइज्जती करवानी आती है.
Yeah,
मैं उनकी
जो-
बेइज्जती बहुत करके
जो-
निकला.
jokes मार के आया तो ऐसे
मैं
तो यार- यार-
उनको मैंने फ्री स्टाइल ऐसे किया रिजल्ट अनाउंस करते हुए मैंने बोला कि तुम लोगों ने हगा है ये वो व्हाटएवर ना
उसकी टॉलरेंस को टाइट करना तभी तो गिर रहा है बार-बार.
So now you
अरे
gotta-
मेरे को मजा आ रहा है.
fucking this fucking the pole falls, he fucking puts it up again. This guy is
मेरे को मजा आ रहा है
dumb
तेरे
as fuck.
तेरे को क्या
अरे
पार
ले।
बोलूं? मेरे को मजा आ रहा है मेरे को मजा आ रहा है
Yeah.
माँ का बहुत तेरा.
तो जो तुम लोग जब प्लेन में जाते हो तो तुम्हारा क्या बोलते हैं टिकट के लिए खरीदने के लिए do they ask your caste?
What?
Okay, so did you see this? Did you see this?
तेरे से पूछा क्या है क्या
Did you see
ये
this news article?
कहाँ की टिकटें ले रहे हैं?
So apparently,
अयोध्या का फ्लाइट है.
apparently there was some airline honcho, unnamed, who was on a call with Rahul Gandhi, and Rahul Gandhi asked, "Do you inquire about your passengers' caste information and what is the caste makeup of your customer base or something like that?" So,
Yeah, how the hell is Rahul Gandhi so
clueless.
clueless, bro? Like this guy has never lived. Why would he though? He's a fucking Gandhi. मतलब नॉर्मल इंसानों की जिंदगी क्यों जी होगी उसने?
हाँ.
नहीं, no.
आजकल गांधी को गांड ही मिल रही है.
यार उसको बिजनेस कर लेना चाहिए था.
Yes.
कहाँ
उसको मॉडल बन
गांड मरवा रहा है.
एक्चुअली
business
उसको
नहीं करना
मॉडल
चाहिए
बन जाना चाहिए था यार. वो 50 साल की उम्र में काफी अच्छा दिखता है.
Yeah, he's
If
a
he
good-looking man.
focus
उस
for that.
लेवल पे
He is
ना
a good
जब तुम्हारे पास लाखों करोड़ हो ना तो what you don't even do the business yourself. You have a trust that fucking manages the financial.
I think his
assets and then
mom pushed him into it.
Yeah.
I think he did it to. I think so.
Because it was expected after like 3 generations or whatever the hell.
Yeah, but
He's the 4th generation. एक उनमें यार उन्होंने बहनचोद राजनीति को फैमिली बिजनेस ही बना लिया. वो उनका पूरा है.
Sonia wanted to live vicariously through him.
I guess.
Interesting. Yeah. No, and it's certainly often is one of those things, man.
Because I
When,
feel
you
like
know,
he could have achieved a lot.
As a kid, you grow up like, oh, your dad's the prime minister. It's like a political dynasty. You're like, you dream of it. कि like, हाँ, मैं भी बड़े होके बनूंगा. And then it's one of those things.
Dad, दादी, great
Bro,
grandfather.
his whole
Yeah,
extended.
yeah. अरे नहीं, I'm talking about his. Of course.
महाराजा प्रजा वाला सीन हो गया ना.
Yeah.
Yes, exactly. It's a dynasty.
Yeah.
So yeah,
But I mean, it is what it is, bro.
he got dynasty.
अबे
I feel like if he
die
was-
हो गई डायनेस्टी.
If he didn't get into politics, he seems like the kind of person that could be my homie, bro. Like he could be, you know what I mean?
Yeah. Well, a friend of our friend, Tejas, you know Vidur ka dost.
हाँ.
So he's mentioned parties where he's been around Mr. G. With some Mr.
With a
G,
G.
Mr. G with some G's. Yeah.
Mr. G with a couple of G's.
With a couple of G's also around him and
Really?
perhaps in him or up him, you know.
I mean,
Wow.
see,
Yes, yeah.
we are not confirming it, but these are rumors.
Allegedly.
Yeah, allegedly.
Yeah.
So who knows?
Allegedly.
Wow.
Yeah.
Well, yeah.
अबे देखो
Well,
पता है,
Modi ji
आज,
isn't watching this. So.
Yes.
आज मैंने तेरे को टेक्स्ट किया था ना
अच्छा.
रोलेक्स का.
Yes.
So that was because I was on a call with somebody who was wearing that watch, and मेरा दिल आ गया उस watch पे. It looked really nice.
From your
साले
company?
बंदियों से तेरा फिल हुआ
Or
नहीं.
like from your job?
Somebody was trying to sell a film with Alec Baldwin.
Right. That's what I meant to
So
say.
with
Okay.
him.
Yeah. Interesting.
I
Yeah.
still haven't watched it, but I acted like I did.
You saw
That's a very movie producer
that
watch.
case happened, no? The manslaughter
Actually,
thing.
I shouldn't be talking about all this, bro. I didn't
Alec
think-
Baldwin वो manslaughter वाला हुआ था ना on set.
Yeah, same guy.
So अभी हाँ that
So
the
he-
weapons coordinator or whatever in that thing now she's been sent.
Now okay, तो महीने पहले की
Bro, हाँ ये तो थोड़ा old news हो गया है.
हाँ.
Yes.
Yeah.
अच्छा मम्मी का फोन आ रहा है तुम बात करो.
चूतिया एक नंबर का. कहानी बेकार से सुना के अच्छा मम्मी का फोन आ रहा है. Sorry, you guys go on. Can you continue the fucking comedy? Can you continue talking? चूतिया एक नंबर.
Dude, we were discussing this in the car also. जब मम्मी का फोन आता है ना तो मेरे को बचपन की आदत है मेरी कि in the background I start moaning and like saying like, oh drugs pass करियो. युवराज, can you pass me the drugs?
अबे
Shit,
चल
यार.
भी नहीं रहा
We
कॉल.
missed our chance, bro.
अबे लगा भी नहीं मैंने कट कर दिया टेक्स्ट कर दिया.
Yeah.
अच्छा.
Yeah. तू बहन के लोड़े तूने फोन नहीं साइलेंट करा मेरे को बोलते हो तुम लोग कि फोन लेते
मेरा
हो.
तो साइलेंट है ब्रो.
मेरा साइलेंट ही रहता है.
मेरा कभी बजा है? मैंने कभी फोन उठाया है? Never.
नहीं तेरे को फोन आता
तेरे को फोन करता
तेरा
कौन
दोस्त
है?
कौन है? No comeback.
अभी हम गाड़ी में हम गानों पे वाइब करते आ रहे थे. तो एक गाना है कि संगत करी एक लाइन है उसमें, संगत करी कम पर कम मेरे दोस्त नहीं, मैंने बीच में इसके बोल दिया तेरे तो कम है क्योंकि ये भी गाना है, संगत मेरी कम पर कम मेरे दोस्त नहीं, मैं कहा तेरे कम है तेरे तो है कम भाई. People like I can count my best friends on one hand. You can count all his friends on one hand. Yeah. But
Curry cum, huh? That's an interesting dish. Curry cum. What kind of restaurant? Sangat restaurant पे. Yeah, get some curry cum and.
मैंने सुना इलॉन मस्क आ रहा है.
कहाँ? इंडिया?
हाँ, दिल्ली ब्रो.
दिल्ली आ रहा है?
हाँ, दिल्ली आ रहा है.
गुजराती जा रहा.
He is coming to check out our space program. All the space startups
ISRO.
in the country have been invited for a meeting with him.
That would be
and
nice, dude. I am waiting for Starlink to be available in India because then I'm.
No, he will definitely. I'm sure once he sees how capable we are, like he will want to. Even Tesla.
Yeah,
even Tesla.
It's not about that. Something like that. For example, Tesla, Starlink, all of these are luxury.
Or maybe he's
products.
coming to teach us a little bit.
He's trying to evaluate the space and see whether there's a manufacturing space also available here. And also, I'm pretty sure he would want like a bit of a China plus one strategy, like most multinational corporations have.
Exactly.
Where they have a production setup here. Because Tesla has not entered the Indian market yet.
Yeah, we're going to be rivaling China very soon. I mean, as far as I know, there's also a big debate
soon
about us joining the UN
Security Council.
Yeah.
Of course, we should. What the fuck?
Of course.
That's been on for a while.
वो तो बहुत देर से हाँ.
That's India is literally been closest to being the sixth for like maybe 20 years now.
It just makes sense, right?
Yeah, but that was because UN Security Council has this infrastructure, 5 permanent and 10 non-elected.
It made sense. भाई उस कायदे से made sense के कायदे से तो अपन को G7 को G7 नहीं होना चाहिए.
Right.
Because top global 7 economies नहीं है वो.
Yeah, but we are in like BRICS or whatever.
That is nothing. That's just some random fucking.
That's it.
They wanted to make the acronym BRICS, and they're like, किसका बैठ रहा है? अच्छा ब्राजील ले लो, एटलस खेल रहे थे माँ के लोड़े. ब्राजील, रशिया, इंडिया, चाइना, ऐसे स्विट्जरलैंड नहीं वो नहीं आएंगे, साउथ अफ्रीका रख लेते हैं.
By the way,
यही
the
हुआ है.
origin of BRICS is essentially in financial assets, where they wanted to club emerging market economies, so that when people are investing from the West, then they know okay, this is a basket that's growing, and then after that they let's make it a political thing where we have shared power and we can counter the Western bloc. There's no way.
That was what I assumed.
That's what it's become. But the origins are just emerging market economy में investment करनी है.
Either that or my theory with the Atlas.
Right.
Yeah.
They're playing Atlas.
Yes.
Yeah, so India's on the come up, bro. Like, imagine if we get Teslas. Bro, where I'm from, like...
Go on. But can you elaborate on where that
Kapashera.
is? Where are you from, man? Is it Palamware? Is it UP? Is it the hood?
Is it the hood? Yeah.
California.
California.
Where I'm from 19 to 26. What
the fuck, guys?
Where I'm from.
साले 18 साल के उम्र के पहले कभी वो धूप सेकी थी तेरे आंखों ने?
18 साल की उम्र में गया था, मैं 10 साल बिता के तो आया हूँ. 8 साल.
8 साल, yes.
Yeah. So
8 साल is the new 10 साल.
8 साल is, by the way,
No, 8 is close enough.
Is the new where I'm from, where I was born.
Yeah.
Where I'm from.
अबे checks
from?
out ये 8
कर रहे हो?
अबे checks out ये 8 साल का ही तो है.
No, this is
अच्छा तुम पूरे टाइम केस ही लेते रहो. Let me explain the story.
नहीं हम
yeah, well,
हम actually 30 सेकंड और केस लेंगे फिर तू दे दियो.
Because I used to drink tequila growing up, growing up, he said.
Yeah, growing up.
I used to drink a lot of tequila growing up. I'm like, what do you mean growing up? College. Anyway, go on. Yes, yeah.
So वहाँ in California, where I was for a few years, is where there's a lot of Teslas. Like Teslas is a big deal out there. Everybody wanted to buy Teslas.
Yeah, it replaced the Prius at some point, right?
So I used to own a Prius.
Right. Okay. So now you want to level up.
Prius was like when this isn't like what, like 2016, something like that. So Uber was a big thing because Uber, you could make a lot of money off of Uber. Like after college, I would just do Uber for a few hours, and I made good money. And that time, I bought a Prius for that.
I thought you had a Lincoln.
So this is before. This is before the Lincoln. I drove so the first car I got was a Prius. I drove that on Uber for a few years, and then I got a real job.
Ouch.
Then sorry.
Sorry,
Uber
Uber
drivers out there.
Your job ain't real. That's what we're sorry about. That we have to break it to you.
Yeah, then I got a Lincoln. And then after the Lincoln got impounded.
I believe it's called LinkedIn.
No, man. Like the president.
Oh, right.
No, he knows.
Anyway.
So after the Lincoln got
दाढ़ी
impounded,
गाड़ी पे थोड़ी दाढ़ी होती है आगे.
shut up. Then I bought a Ford
Oh, Ford, which one?
Focus.
Ford Focus, yes.
जो
Yeah,
तुझ में नहीं
so
है.
It was basically I
Ford
wanted
Focus is-
American cars, na?
Ford Focus would be a really cool fucking whip to have here, man. But Ford just didn't work out in this country. They left.
Yeah. I mean,
Yeah, they're gone.
Yes.
But मेरे पास तो है.
But Focus तो नहीं है ना. तेरे पास EcoSport बड़ी है.
Focus
Focus तो मेरे पास है ही नहीं लाइफ में.
Right.
yeah,
Correct.
True.
Right.
But Ford है.
Okay. Good job. Congratulations.
Yeah.
बधाई हो.
But yeah, I was totally on the vibe of getting just American cars. You know, the Lincoln is also American. So is the Ford. The Prius is not.
Prius is where you started off. Yeah.
Yeah, Prius is where I started off, but that was for like a
Toyota.
financial reason.
Yeah, I want an American car that's basically made in China and shipped and assembled in India. Yeah, I want an American car, man. Yeah. Really, I want an American car that was made in Mexico, bro. You know, it's American, man. Fuck.
Yeah, man.
Some good old fashioned
That's
freedom,
the
bro.
American
Yeah,
dream.
it's a freedom car, bro.
That's the American dream.
Yeah.
All
It's the communist freedom car. Yeah.
Yeah. Well, anyway, that was the vibe. I wanted to be American so bad, bro.
तूने देखा राजकुमार राव के शक्ल को और क्या सीन है भैंचोद?
देखूं क्या?
देखो यार मुझे भी देखना है.
हाँ.
उसने करवाया क्या है?
पता नहीं उसने शक्ल.
वही तो मैं बताऊंगा ना.
शक्ल
I'm
बदल
the
गई है.
expert here.
Yes.
39. He actually looks pretty good for 39.
हाँ.
I don't think
काम
he
तो
needed to
करा है.
get anything.
ओ वाओ इसकी आंखें फट गई भाई.
What the fuck?
क्या कर रहा है? देखो मैंने एक्चुअली देखी भी नहीं है. दिखा.
I'm not sure, but it's like his jaw fucking
Yes.
mutilated.
Yeah,
What is it bigger? Because he had a very
It's
small.
Lower
longer.
and bigger.
Longer, yeah, and weird, and I don't know what he's done. Yeah.
Is his jaw?
Yeah, he's
it's
done
his-
something to
it's
his
his
jaw
jaw.
and his face, and maybe it's the.
Bro, he
whatever-
looks like a fucking Neanderthal.
Show me.
Yes.
He looks like a Neanderthal.
I don't know why he's got that done, dude. कैसा time आ गया कि भैंचोद
I can't even tell you what that is.
he looks like
Genuinely.
ये तो
अरे यार,
ये
this
तो vibe
must
of
be
picture, man.
some appear. This must be some. No, I don't think he's had anything done. This is probably for a movie or something. He's
But
had
why does
some.
his jaw look so
It's
different?
some prosthetic.
You can't
or something
change your
or the
bone
other.
structure, bro. Even with
Prosthetic
plastic
prosthetic
surgery.
hoga for a movie or something.
It can't
It's
be,
probably
it
not a
could be
permanent
makeup, that's
change.
true.
I think it's I don't think
Okay.
it's actually a
Maybe we got to do some
genuine.
It could be makeup.
Oh really?
Yeah.
Okay, cool.
He looks like that meme, bro.
Because
that big jaw.
with plastic
Sigma
surgery,
male
you
wala.
can't really change your bone
No.
structure.
Mm.
You know, you can get fat out of places that you don't want it, like my cheeks.
You know about that? You know about the procedure in
My
Japan?
ex taught
where
me a
they-
lot about this shit, bro. Look.
Do you know about the procedure in Japan where they break down your shins and extend?
It's not just Japan. You can get that
Oh,
in the
they
Middle East.
height increasing
Increase your height by
exercise
like
thing.
an
Yeah,
inch.
yeah.
You can get that in the
Exercise
Middle
नहीं है,
East.
bro.
अबे वो Pornhub पे भी ads आते हैं उसके.
प्रोसीजर है पूरा.
वो-
अच्छा. Wow.
It's dude. Here's the thing, man.
तूने कब
If-
कराई थी?
हाँ.
तूने
बस बचपन में ही मैं हमेशा से लंबा था ना. बचपन में ही करा दिया था.
Yeah.
लोड़ा चूसते चूसते तो तेरे घुटने टूट गए और फिर
But I have no problem with that, bro. It's like
because you're on your knees, right? Yeah, and then you
Saying the Lord's name.
yeah, because you're into choir, yeah. You go
And you know choir boys.
yes,
And you know priests.
do I? I know the choir boys.
yeah, the choir boys were sucking the professor's dick.
Professor?
Yes, thank you for making fucking.
Choir leader, whatever.
choir leader. अबे
choir
इसको
leader.
priest होता है ना वो choir.
मतलब हम ऐसे एक से सटल बात कर रहे हैं, ये सब कर रहे हैं, ये अपना गधा लेके मेज लेकर निएंडरथॉल की तरह बीच में से लहराता हुआ आ रहा है कि जो कहाँ है.
वो बंदा वहाँ पे कविता लिख रहा है. वो बोलता है हाँ भाई वो कह रहा है कि मैं मनूस हूँ.
अरे
oh the sky is blue and the sunflowers are whittling and he's like मनूस है बंदा भाई है बंदा.
नहीं तो क्या ये कह रहे ये there's him and his friend दोस्त से पूछता है कि तू कर क्या रहा है, कह रहे कविता लिख रहा हूँ. ये पूछा है कविता किस बहन की लोड़ी का नाम है. ये वो बंदा है.
right yeah
Sheer piece.
she could be.
तो मुझे मिलवा दो.
रहने दे.
उसके साथ ऐसा नहीं करना.
हाँ, very good. Very good.
बहुत स्वीट लड़के बेचारे.
Spare her the horror, yeah. Poor lass, you know. Yeah. Very cool, man.
Yeah.
But fuck, man. I mean, like fucking Robert Downey, I really, you know,
क्या हो गया?
I was the blackface. Yeah, he's the last guy.
Robert Downey blackface.
In
Tropic
Tropic Thunder.
Thunder?
Oh
yeah.
yes, in Tropic Thunder. I thought like personal life choice like Trudeau or something. No, no.
That line where it's the 400, he pulls the actual black guy close to him and he says 400 years.
400
Yeah.
years of trauma.
400
years
years.
of trauma.
Yeah,
He's
that's
the Australian actor in that, no?
Yes.
Yeah.
He's an actor playing an actor
Method.
playing an actor.
Yes.
It's just
Wait, is that the same film where he does Blue Steel? Ben? No, that's Zoolander.
the Zoolander, yes.
Right.
Yes.
I get those confused because they're very like parody film type film.
Yeah.
Yeah, that was a
Too
the,
good, man.
Who was
good
that
fucking
topic? Who
era
was that? It was fucking
of cinema.
Tom Cruise or
Tom
who was it?
Cruise,
Yeah, the
producer of the
ganja wala.
Brown
Yeah.
Bags. Yeah.
now all these brilliant actors just do Avengers.
Yeah. Fuck,
sure.
exactly, dude.
All of them
That's
because they have no time for anything
And
else,
this is
just
not a
Avengers.
cheap, this is not a cheap movie. You know, there was a point where, like, you know, they used to make mid-budget movies, very high concept, and
Dude, that was golden era. Not golden, not the actual golden era, but that was a pretty good
it
time.
was a good time. It was a good time, and also I think because the reasoning is that even if the theatrical run wasn't enough to recoup your expense, the DVD sales would have done it. But DVD sales nahi ab. Yeah, so that's
It's all streaming now.
नहीं, उस जमाने में भी DVD was pretty low. Like
now, bro, literally
नहीं,
Robert
नहीं,
Downey
उस
has the
ज़माने में-
line like, "I don't break out of character till the DVD commentary is done." It's literally in
भाई
the-
उस जमाने में
but
that
DVD
was the way to
falling off
consume.
even back then.
Sure, but Netflix की origins वही तो DVD
Blu-ray
था।
वगैरह आ गया था ना
Rental-
like,
rental तो-
so
हाँ,
but
अरे
yeah
यार,
now तो अब तो वो भी चला गया
Blu-ray बोलो कि DVD बोलो, बात तो एक ही है।
right
हाँ
CDs
डिस्क
बिकती है ना
डिस्क
बाद
घुस
में।
रहा है ना हाँ
Yeah,
Yeah,
I mean there's an additional source of revenue coming in.
yeah
Essentially, that's the idea.
now though it's all streaming na? It's all streaming has taken over all those markets.
It's fuck all. It's fucking retarded because there's a bunch of movies that I want to watch. Okay, and then I can't get them on streaming, and they're not even available to
On DVD,
purchase
yeah.
anywhere. I can't
Yeah,
even,
you
know,
can't buy
और
DVDs.
Prime Video और Apple TV के उसमें ना मैं को मूवी खरीदने में जाऊँ तो वो आते ही नहीं. This is not available in your region. You know, like a bunch of those. and
Yeah.
That's probably
There's
like
no
Dude,
way
it's
you
like
can-
it's like they're forcing us to pirate. You know.
they are literally. I had to torrent it because there was no other option.
Yeah, it is what it is.
Yeah.
what movie is this
Beginners. So the person that I'm going to be producing this podcast series for, she asked me to watch it because there's a scene and there's like, you know, there's like there's a graphic treatment there that she wants to recreate for
right
for her
right
thing.
as a reference right.
Yes, yeah.
Yeah. Anyway, तो मैं ये कह रहा था कि I hope Teslas do make it here because I would totally like I love cars. I'm a huge car guy, but I would buy a Tesla. Any
No,
day
even
of
my
the
dad's really keen on, you know.
Yeah.
I mean, if Tesla were to launch and stuff.
Yeah, I would definitely.
But I'm
Definitely
skeptical of
buy a
all
Tesla.
electric, man. You know, like hybrid is fine, but like all electric.
Skeptical why? What are you skeptical of?
अबे बिजली कब चली जाए ब्रो
उसकी बात
क्या
नहीं है.
पता
उसकी बात नहीं है.
वो
पहली-
फेज बंद कर
पहली
देते हैं
बात तो
आपकी
यहाँ पे
गाड़ी बंद
हमारा
हो जाएगी
infrastructure अभी ना दिल्ली में ठीक है, but
चार्जिंग का ना
nationally
चार्जिंग का
हाँ,
कह रहा है तो
nationally
ब्रो
नहीं.
तू मेरे को 300-400 रेंज दे दो दैट्स मोर देन इनफ फॉर मी आई विल नॉट ऑब्वियसली यूज दैट कार फॉर एनी लॉन्ग रोड ट्रिप्स बट
मैं
अदर
वही
देन
उसी
दैट
की बात
इट्स
कर रहा हूँ
लाइक
ना, उसी की बात कर रहा हूँ. Yeah, within the city is
but
all
that is the
fine.
only case use purpose where it's like not viable for as a
No, but
vehicle.
also and you also got to think about it in terms of the additional upfront expense. It's not necessarily.
you're not paying for gas.
Yes, sure.
but he said upfront no the
upfront की
investment in
बात
the
कर रहा हूँ.
charging
What
unit
upfront? The
अबे
charging
यार, भाई
unit
बैटरी
को-
लाइफ का हमको कोई आइडिया नहीं है कि
battery life bro
कि बैटरीज का
I'm not sure Tesla का but that shit will last you 5-6 years easy.
Batteries have gone bad and battery की replacement cost, you know, because there's like
It's the whole car.
after
The whole car is a battery.
Exactly. After the initial warranty period lapses, then the battery cost for Teslas sometimes is something like $30,000, right?
It's the whole that's the whole
So that's
car.
what I'm saying, man. So
Yeah.
you know, like, so there are still some concerns that I mean, I want to see how, like, the, you know,
Dude,
how
yeah,
other
but
manufacturers-
you know where
let
I'm
it
from,
let
like,
it run for a bit
people
see
are-
how the thing is going you know before you jump on the wave immediately
Yeah, but where I was from, like people just adopted Teslas so easily because they were manufactured there.
right? No,
Or
and California also had
assembled
very
or
good
whatever that-
incentives.
Hmm.
Yeah, you would get like $7,000-8,000
and tax breaks and shit and
Yes.
you know, yeah
And Teslas might be cheaper when they come if they come here. If Elon wants
that's an impossibility.
to do
That's an
that.
impossibility.
Yeah.
no the cost of
No, he'll
the
build
cost of-
factories here, bro. What do you
cost
mean?
is too much
Factories का factory अभी पता है
तू
क्या है?
10-12 साल
Bro,
सोच
What happened with Apple? Apple phones अब यहाँ assemble होते हैं.
हाँ, sure, assemble होते हैं, बनते नहीं है.
सस्ता हुआ.
और Apple की जो electronics है उसमें अलग होता है, but जो हमारी गाड़ियाँ भी होती हैं, for example, Mercedes assembles cars here, so parts are imported and there's the import tax on the parts because they're imported from somewhere else.
Yeah, so it would be the same. So that reduces the price, na?
It reduces the price, but it's not going to be cheap.
Of course not, but it's a Tesla. Like if you get a Model
but
3,
like, yeah. I mean, dude, like I'm just saying, you know, it's not going to be very attractive compared to other.
What is the competition? टेस्ला का competition क्या होगा? मैं तुम्हें को ये बता.
यहाँ पे इतने सारे लोग
50 लाख की आएगी शायद.
Bro, by the
कितने
way,
की है ना?
तो किया की नहीं आती EV? किया की EV लोग खरीदते
तो
हैं.
Kia is 60 and why would you buy a Kia and not a fucking Tesla?
नहीं bro, Tesla ज़्यादा की आएगी bro.
50 की नहीं आएगी.
50 की नहीं
70 से नीचे नहीं आएगी.
70 की Mercedes आती है. Mercedes.
Tesla भी उतनी की आएगी.
EQ भी आती है. EQ भी आती है ना 70 की.
Tesla भी 70 की आएगी.
Tesla भी bro, I'm pretty sure 60-70 से कम की
Yeah.
नहीं शुरू
For
होगी.
Model 3. Model 3.
And by the way,
Model 3.
They'll have the Tesla thing also.
Model 3 is not going to be cheaper than 50. I'm guaranteeing you. And
50
even
तो बोल रहा हूँ मैं.
हाँ, तो उससे सस्ता महिंद्रा के ऑप्शन है. महिंद्रा के आते हैं 20 लाख की EV.
अबे महिंद्रा और टेस्ला में क्या इतना फर्क है?
तू इंडिया को बात देख रहा है ब्रो. तू इंडियन मार्केट को देख. हाँ, श्योर देयर इज गोना बी लाइक.
मैं अपनी बात कर रहा हूँ. बाहर में कहीं इंडियन
अबे तू
मार्केट.
थोड़ा ना तेरे एक बंदे के लिए गाड़ी की पूरी.
But ये सब hybrids है ना जो अभी इंडिया में.
ब्रो मुझ जैसे और
it's complete 100%.
Yes, Mahindra makes full EVs. Tata makes full EVs. There are really cheap EVs that you can get. Full
Bro, but
EVs. 15-20 लाख की EV. भाई तू मिडिल क्लास को समझ नहीं है. तू पागल है क्या यार? 60 लाख की गाड़ी है ना देश में मैक्सिमम 10% लोग लेते हैं.
I totally agree with you.
हाँ.
बट मैं उनकी बात ही नहीं कर रहा. मैं तो अपनी बात कर रहा हूँ. मैं अपना फायदा क्या लग रहा है? मैं सबके बहन जो परेशानी अपने कंधे पे ले लूं.
नहीं, मैं तो बस लॉजिकली सोचता हूँ कि कंपनी क्यों आएगी इस देश में जब तक मार्केट.
I hope आ जाए. At least I hope आ जाए.
Yeah.
He's coming. I don't know when he's coming, but this
Elon
month
bhai,
he's coming.
Elon bhai, if you're listening, then Mr. Hussain would like your car.
He wants to feel Cali back home.
Yeah. Yes. Back home. Yeah.
He wants to feel home.
He
He wants to feel his home back in India.
He's homesick. Yeah.
Needs a taste वाले.
Yes. Yeah. Bit too long. Bit too long. Too much.
वो वीजा नहीं दे रहे तो क्या हुआ?
Bro मेरे साथ पता है क्या हुआ था एक बार.
हाँ.
मैं जब कैलिफोर्निया में था तो
California love.
California dreaming, California
I
dreaming.
don't know what that is.
anyway
All the
तो-
leaves are brown.
मैं सुनो तो
Oh, right, yes.
And
अच्छा
the
अपनी
sky-
बकवास बंद करो ब्रो.
California dreaming. Anyway.
अच्छा,
Such
सुनो
a
तो-
winner's day.
हाँ, जब तू वापस आया था पनवाड़ी से.
हाँ.
नहीं तो व्हेन आई वाज इन कैलिफोर्निया ना उस टाइम ऑब्वियसली मैं बहुत ही इंडियन माइंडसेट से गया था वहाँ.
अच्छा.
कि ब्रो चलता है जुगाड़.
तभी तो
fuck
हुड में
it.
जाके बस जगह. हाँ बोल.
तो बेसिकली वहाँ पे ना देयर वाज 3 रूममेट्स थे हम एंड पार्किंग स्पॉट्स 2 थी. ठीक है. तो आई सेड कि हाँ कोई टेंशन नहीं है मैं सड़क पे पार्क कर दूंगा. कौन सी बड़ी बात है. मैं तो कहीं भी पार्क करता. पूरी दुनिया मेरी पार्किंग लॉट है. यू नो वो इंडियन माइंडसेट था मेरा. तो
याद है स्कूल में कहते थे दिल्ली एस्ट्रे.
You also
We had this thing where because we used to smoke doobs in school. बोलते थे ऐश का कर. अबे कहीं भी ऐश करते हो दिल्ली पूरी. Anyway.
I've always said I've always
This is
said
such a stupid.
But
fucking-
I've always
Yeah,
said the
it was so
world is
dumb.
your ashtray.
It's so
I've
dumb,
always said
dumb.
the world is your ashtray.
Okay.
same thing. So anyway, so I started parking outside. Then I found out कि on some day they clean the street, so you have to move your car legally. तो मैंने कहा अबे देखी जाएगी कोई कुछ बोल के दिखाए क्या कर लेगा. मैंने छोड़ दी. You know Indian
It
mindset.
got towed.
Then not just it got towed.
Yeah.
They put a ticket on it. And I'm like अबे टिकट क्या होता है. अबे देखी जाएगी.
He didn't catch the hints also. कि अरे लीगल एक्शन हो जाए क्या हो जाएगा. अबे गाड़ी ले गए क्या हो गया.
हाँ तो इंडियन
अबे 10,000 का फाइन लगा दिया क्या हो गया. अबे जेल में डाल दिया क्या हो गया. मतलब इसके कुछ हो ही नहीं रहा है इस बंदे को. ये बहुत ही सख्त लौटना है.
तो ब्रो ये इंडियन माइंडसेट था मेरा ऐसा ही. तो फिर बेसिकली क्या हुआ.
Indian mindset. This is Riftu mindset, man.
हमारी देश को गाली मत दे फालतू में. ठीक है.
Hate to break it to you, bro. Yeah.
एनीवे तो फिर उन्होंने मेरी गाड़ी टो करके इम्पाउंड कर दी. तो फिर मैं गया इम्पाउंड पुलिस थाने इम्पाउंड लॉट पे उनके कि भाई मेरी गाड़ी वापस कर दो. बट इतना लेट हो चुका था कि बाय द टाइम आई गॉट देयर. तो मेरी कहानी सुन रहे हो क्या कर रहे हो.
Bring your own. Bring your own.
मैं इसकी कहानी सुन रहा था. चल तू सुना मैं बीच में जाऊंगा.
या लाइक
हाँ तो
Anyway,
impound.
तो आई वेंट टू द इम्पाउंड लॉट एंड वंस आई गॉट देयर इतना टाइम बीत चुका था कि दे सेड वी हैव ऑक्शनड योर कार ऑफ.
That's fucking.
So I was right. गाड़ी ले गए कोई बात नहीं. भाई साहब ने कुछ दिन कुछ नहीं किया.
तो ये तो this is like a 2-3 week thing.
Yeah.
I was right.
Bro,
Thank
that's
you very
nuts,
much.
man. That's insane.
Bro, I didn't even know that they picked up my car, first of all.
Yeah.
Second of all, by the time I found out,
Yeah.
then it took me a while to realize where I have to go to get the car back. Then I finally made it
You
to
didn't
the
realize your car was impounded for like fucking 3 weeks.
bro. I wasn't going to college at the time.
Oh.
Yeah, I
Right
was just
on.
sitting at home, and then finally I found out. I went to the impound lot after a lot of deliberation because I asked people कि भाई क्या होता है गाड़ी को उठा गए, and then somebody told me कि हाँ they take it to the police station. I'm like अच्छा when do I go there? So I went there in the morning, and then they told me they have sold the car, and I'm like what do you mean I have the papers for the car? Like what do you mean you have sold my car?
You lose, buddy.
What is this law, bro?
This is what it is.
You tow my car. I'm 2 weeks late, and then you've sold my car on an auction.
That tracks. That's fucking nuts. Nanny straight.
Insane, dude.
That's pretty nuts, bro.
Yeah, and then I bought the Ford.
But do they and when they sell the car, do you get a cut?
No, they didn't even tell me. Nobody even fucking informed me that they're selling my car
That's
for free.
what kind of so what was the damage for that? Like a couple $1,000s?
I paid like 8K for the car,
Fuck.
and yeah,
That's wow, down the drain. That's pretty
Yeah.
funny. Yeah. And you still have to pay the fine, no?
no. What do you mean?
No.
What are they going to ticket me for, bro? They sold the car.
That's pretty fucking.
I didn't even claim that it was my car.
$8,000. वो तो उसकी घड़ी खरीद लेता है उसको.
I paid Jack Diddley Scott to this one.
Yeah. Your phone.
Where?
उतने की घड़ी आ जाती.
There's a lot of noise. Did I miss something?
Yeah, he lost his. He lost his
Look how much of a baller I
Fucking
am.
classic.
I'm raw dogging my phone. No
Right.
screen protector. No case. Never again.
Please don't raw dog your phone.
Just make sure.
Please, please,
Just make
please
sure you give the phone
keep
iPads.
it to other like
Yeah.
items.
Have you installed an IUD in your phone?
It's not cool to fuck your phones anymore.
Yeah.
By the way, I'm thinking of getting an iPhone.
Good man. Fuck yeah, let's go.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Because
you gotta
on
do it.
iPhone, you can attach a MagSafe wallet on the back. And on this, if I want to do that, I would have to attach a case. Otherwise, I have to stick it on the back of my phone.
It's the best
'Cause
phone,
there's
man.
no-
There's no other phone. It's the only phone to get.
Yeah, so I'll get one.
Nice.
But I'm also thinking,
Go for the regular. You probably will be okay with just the 15. Don't go.
yeah, I needed.
You don't need the.
I
Pro.
need one-handed usage.
Let me
It's
know.
my
I'll
most
get
important
you a very
feature.
good deal. I always get solid discounts on Apple.
So what do you mean? More than what I would get as
Yes.
a regular person?
Yes.
हाँ.
हाँ, मेरे बाप का मैंने अभी iPad 1 TB Wi-Fi वाला लिया है. क्या बोलते हैं उसको रिटेल होती है 190 की मेरे को 15-20 का पूरा मिल जाता है.
Bro, so then hook me up.
Yeah, I can sort you out.
I'll get a regular iPhone
Bro,
15.
I'll make a phone call. It'll be delivered to you in a couple hours.
Regular iPhone 15 black.
Okay.
I can buy it
120
anytime. I'm at my CA today, bro. I'm good.
128 gigs or 256?
Cheapest, lowest, cheapest.
Okay, 128 gigs. Okay.
Yeah.
ठीक है. Hold on. Let me just make a phone. I mean, I'll text.
No, no.
I'll
After
text
the
my guy. He'll deliver it to you tomorrow.
after the pod.
Yeah.
Yeah.
सही है.
But I do need that. I don't need it. I mean, mostly I'm thinking of making an Instagram account.
Yeah.
So
So you need an iPhone.
this camera doesn't like do
It's
it
shit.
for me.
It's shit.
But I'm thinking, why buy a phone? Just go to an Apple store. दो चार ऐसे एक इधर सेल्फी एक इधर सेल्फी एक इधर सेल्फी.
हाँ तो हर हफ्ते जब इंस्टाग्राम पे कुछ
Settings-
पोस्ट करना
settings
होगा.
सारी same है. Settings सारी same है. गाड़ी पे अगर खींचनी हो सड़क पे जैसे लोचा पड़ जाए.
अबे नहीं मेरे को इतनी
हमें
फोटो नहीं चाहिए ब्रो.
इसको हर 2-3 दिन ही तो
अबे
खींचनी होगी फोटो.
भाई,
हर 2-3 दिन
मैंने
एप्पल स्टोर
पिछले
होके आ
ही
जाएगा.
मैंने
Instagram
पिछले-
प्रोफाइल सिर्फ एप्पल स्टोर के इंटीरियर से भरी होगी क्या? तू पागल आदमी है क्या?
अच्छा.
नहीं ये भी
nuts.
नहीं ये और बैकग्राउंड डाल देगा पीछे से.
There's no second order thinking, you know. The consequences of the actions just never factor in. यहाँ जाके फोटो ले लूंगा.
नहीं I figured.
Yeah, whenever he's like I've been thinking, I'm like, oh boy, here we go again.
अच्छा हाँ I figured like मेरे को बस फोटो ही तो चाहिए. That's all I need the phone for pretty much.
तेरा कटआउट थोड़ा होता है सिर्फ तेरी शक्ल. पीछे बैकग्राउंड भी तो होता है. आसपास लोग तू सेल्फी ले रहा है बंदा देख रहा है कि क्या कर रहा है बंदा यहाँ पे.
अब एक काम करो ना एक ग्रीन पर्दा ले आऊंगा. ग्रीन
Yeah.
पर्दा लगाऊंगा पीछे. ग्रीन
Yes.
स्क्रीन बना दूंगा.
Yeah.
4 सेल्फी खींचूंगा
हाँ.
आईफोन की भग लूंगा.
बेटे तेरे
Now I don't need to buy an iPhone
तेरे को
anymore.
बड़ी देर होगी पुलिस स्टेशन की विजिट कर रहे थे. You want to just get kicked out of the Apple store.
एप्पल स्टोर वाले क्या उखाड़ लेंगे
I'm
मेरा.
kidding, I'm kidding, I'm kidding.
Apple, the genius is at the Apple store.
Yeah,
Yeah.
it's pretty fucking nuts.
Yeah, well,
Yeah, man, like yeah, but like again, you know, like plastic surgery.
Hmm.
I'm not. Yeah.
I respect it. But
Yeah.
like, I feel like people like
Not
you would.
not for the long haul, you know.
I feel like people like you would look down
I
on
don't
me if
care
I got
too-
it.
I
done.
don't
It's
care
not,
too
no,
much
no,
about
no,
it,
no, no,
actually.
no, because I have no vested interest in like marrying you, you know. That's it. That's really the only consideration. You know,
Okay,
like,
fair enough.
yeah.
तो मैं करवा लूं?
You know, because you know, there's often those people, you know, like the butter faces, you know, you want
Yeah.
to, you know, so for
Put a bag on their head.
exactly, yeah. For a butter face, that's fine. It's good.
And asphyxiate them.
It's good to for a butter face. It's good that they get plastic surgery because then it's, you know, because they've got the body, man.
Yeah,
Might
I
as
mean,
well.
dude, for me, like, I feel like plastic surgery is like, people think of it as a big deal. I don't think it should be a big deal. Dude, eventually we'll have gene editing. Can you
Yes,
imagine? Gene
yeah.
editing, where it's like, before the kid is even born, you fix ailments or like give him blonde hair or give him, you know what I mean? Like,
Yes, I know what gene editing is. Yes.
so it's like,
But there's weird. I don't know if you
what
know,
is your ethical concern with that? Make them as beautiful as they can be.
प्लास्टिक सर्जरी के साथ कोई एथिकल कंसर्न नहीं है.
ethical concern नहीं है.
Ethical
तो तुम्हें क्या प्रॉब्लम है फिर प्लास्टिक? If somebody wants to be more beautiful in their eyes,
नहीं मैं उसकी बात कर रहा हूँ because यार देख for example you're presented with a face, okay, you see these features, you're like, oh, this is good, maybe we'll have pretty children, and then it's actually a butter face.
right? Because the genes,
Exactly,
right,
yes.
his problem is with the deception.
But you can gene edit that one also. It's like just
हाँ but अगर वहाँ पे पहुँच गए फिर तो कोई टेंशन नहीं है यार.
that, but
वो तब तो फिर हाँ.
फिर तो अगो से शादी करके ऋतिक रोशन पैदा करेंगे क्यों?
right.
Yeah.
I feel like, but yeah,
bag is six, throw a couple $100,000 on her, make her a 9, have a baby, you know, have a
yeah.
nice family.
But I feel like obviously, yeah, gene editing mostly though they will use just to get rid of, you know, like defects.
So Kuwait is a bad example.
Like
but
Hrithik Roshan's sixth thumb.
right.
They'll
No, by the way, I don't know if you know this, but like, so in China, they did they gene edited a couple of embryos.
the CRISPR, right?
They did CRISPR to some kids to avoid the AIDS thing, and they actually ended up having some other like, you know, consequent, what is it called,
Wait,
byproducts.
they did human trials
there are live twins who have been CRISPR edited, and they had
on fetuses.
they had higher intelligence and shit. Wait, fetus नहीं,
CRISPR
अब
editor
बच्चे हैं यार ये.
CRISPR
Born.
2-3 साल पुरानी खबर है ये.
Wait, that's insane. I didn't know they were doing this on humans already.
Well, human trials are prohibited ethically in most Western
Except
countries.
China.
Except China, they don't give a fuck, bro. China वो organs harvest करते हैं, उनको लोड़ा फर्क पड़ता है.
China's cool, man.
Yeah, and
Dude, I mean, China-
and those kids have
Hardcore.
It
disappeared.
depends on
from
how
the-
you look at it, bro.
Those
because
kids have
like,
disappeared from the public, you know.
Obviously,
yeah,
they're all
Public-
superheroes now. They all
Yes.
got powers and shit.
Yeah,
So
yeah.
yeah, they can't be in the public.
it also could be overhyped for one. Like how much more intelligent they are. They could
Sure.
just be intelligent kids. Like, you know, we have intelligent kids. I'm sure there were some. Not
I don't think
not on
they're
this
intelligent
podcast,
kids.
but
This generation of kids is not intelligent, man. They're so screen glued.
yeah, bro.
I've seen
Look
a
at
lot
us,
of-
bro. When we were kids, we were fucking going to jail, getting in trouble, getting slapped and fighting.
Okay, I'm
and
talking
shit.
single digit.
Drinking
ages.
gasoline.
हाँ.
Did you say drinking gasoline?
I don't know what kind of a childhood you had. I'm just talking about me.
Yeah.
I
Huffing,
thought it was like an energy drink.
huffing farts. Yeah.
Well, in a way, it is.
Yeah. I mean, if it can fuel my car, I figured.
Yeah.
You know.
हाँ, कभी-कभी गाड़ी में पेट्रोल खत्म होता है, मैं एप्पल जूस डाल देता हूँ. Can feel my body.
Whiskey डाल दिया कर.
अभी
दिखता
in
भी
fact,
apple juice जैसे है.
Sometimes I stuff a burger, you know, like a fucking this
Yeah,
fatty.
Big Mac डाल दिया.
Yeah.
In fact,
Maharaja Mac.
Yeah.
wasn't there an engine
Put-
that
put
they
a
made
makhan
out
ki
of
tikki,
like vegetable oil?
है जी?
They made an engine out of that
आधा किलो
ran on
बटर चिकन में
vegetable oil.
पूरा आप पंजाब तक पहुंचोगे आधा किलो.
हाँ, ये
butter chicken
पतंजलि
डाल
ने
के.
बनाया ना.
On seed oils. Yeah.
I don't know. No, but biofuels, is that what you're talking about?
Something like that.
Biofuels are like biomass that's been converted to fuels, and even
Yeah.
Formula One, by the way, wants to move exclusively to biofuels at some point, or like, and there's already a certain mix where
Sorry.
biofuels. Yeah, of
No,
course,
no,
of
I'm
course
with
it is
that
gay.
though. Dude, fossil fuels it's not sustainable, na?
Nahin, yaar, I'll tell you what the idea is. You want energy efficiency. ICE engines are still best for energy efficiency.
They even have hydrogen or something engines, right? What are they called?
Those are not feasible. Those are not.
Hydrogen.
I think Toyota or somebody was making them.
Yes, but those are not practical over the long.
Not for F1 or like.
Anything. कोई फायदा possible
Ah,
नहीं
okay,
है.
okay,
So,
fair enough.
yeah.
I mean, electric is the best we have so far. To be fair,
ICE is the best we have.
ICE क्या है? कौन बना रही है?
Internal combustion engine.
किसने बनाई ICE?
सब सारी गाड़ियाँ.
ICE is the one picking
रफ्तार
up
का गाना
Mexicans
है.
off the border.
रफ्तार का गाना है, ये असली है, नाइस नकली है. So,
Nice.
Okay, interesting. Very cool. Very cool.
All right, boys. I think we're good.
We're not. अभी घंटा कहाँ हुआ है?
हो गया.
Oh, but like you, this is just okay. Anyway, whatever.
mood
Up to
तो
you
है
guys.
मेरा.
I can keep going. I can go as long as.
Yeah, let's go another
okay,
10 minutes.
whatever.
So
Because
then I need
Whatever
to
he
piss.
says, the ladies.
Then I
will.
need to piss.
I'm done, but you want more? I can keep going. I can do it. Like it's not like beyond my capabilities or anything. Like you know me.
I mean, I already came thrice, but fine. You know.
Yeah.
Yeah. In like 15 minutes. Yeah.
I mean, and my biscuit is limp, but you know, like whatever. Like
Yeah. But limp is
it's
cool.
coming
way.
up right now.
I did it all for the nookie. You know. Yeah.
He needed to pee. That's why he wanted to cut it.
Yeah. That's so funny.
Loser,
Idiot.
stupid bastard.
तो फिर शादी के लिए निकल रहा तो चंडीगढ़
11:45 AM
चंडीगढ़
की ट्रेन है.
ट्रेन में जा रहे हो तुम
हाँ 3 घंटे की ट्रेन है.
fair enough
Yeah.
it's like a
Devan
Shatabdi
went today. and,
Shatabdi oh Devan okay
I'm going to Nav Bharat Express or some shit. 3 hours you're there.
yeah Navbharat Express is very fucking hype as far as I know
Yeah, so that shit 11:45, and I've only been
that's
on.
how by the way that's the marketing team that's how they described it very fucking hype
All right, nice. Oh yeah, of course, it must be the official. Yeah.
yes yeah
I've only been on train in India once before in my life at the age of like 9 or something. I went to Amritsar,
yeah
and that too. So because
they
my
were-
dad hates trains.
when you know like when Aaj Tak was covering the Vande Bharat launch they were like it's got the drip flexin and
Flexin it.
it's
It
hype.
got that riz,
got a raise yeah
got that speed riz. But yeah, my dad very famously hates trains and loves driving, so he always drove us to Punjab, sort
Right.
of thing. And even the time that we
But
went,
Punjab to Udta Punjab no you should have flown there
anyway, so
yeah
the one time because my bua's husband, he wanted to go. on
wait
the
your dad
train.
drove a train there because he likes to drive
No, tractor. But but essentially, so he's like, मैं ट्रेन पे नहीं जा रहा, मैं गाड़ी चला के जाऊंगा, तुम लोग we wanted tourist experience, my uncle wanted, and he's like, 2 kids also come with us, ठीक है. So I'm like, ठीक है. Not that I was given a choice at the age of 9 anyway. So he dropped us in the car at the train station in Delhi, picked us up from the train station in Amritsar in this same car.
sick.
That's nuts.
He was already there. He's waiting for us when the train started. He's like,
That's
"Todi train था 10 मिनट late है, मैं आते घंटे
तो वो
तो मैं
जापान
खड़ा."
में पहुंच गया कि उसको ट्रेन का
मेरे डैड थोड़े हैं वैसे.
Yeah.
But yeah, so we never went on the train otherwise. And कल फिर से जाने वाला हूँ after so long. And the शादी is actually in Mohali. मेरे को झूठ बोला गया, चंडीगढ़ नहीं है, Mohali. But whatever, Delhi, Gurgaon, it's all.
Yeah.
Chandigarh, Mohali, Panchkula. It's like half an hour you can drive through all of them. Like,
Oh, interesting. Okay.
Bro, I have to
Panchkula's
go.
in Haryana, Mohali's in in Punjab, and Chandigarh is both.
I have to go to Chandigarh for a court case.
Okay. There's more. Yeah. How's that?
भाई स्टेट लेवल पे चले गए.
May 5th को जाना है.
Okay. Nice.
Apparently, if I would have been arrested, I would have gone to Chandigarh prison.
Oh.
Yeah.
Yeah, because that's the capital of Haryana, no? So अभी तेरा पंजाब एंड हरियाणा हाई कोर्ट में होगा जो भी, if you're going to Chandigarh for a case.
I'm going to Chandigarh for the
high
court
court
only.
high court ही होगा ना?
I don't know.
हाई कोर्ट होगा पंजाब
Chandigarh
एंड
district
पंजाब
court नहीं-
पंजाब एंड हरियाणा हाई कोर्ट.
It
High
depends.
court
District
में
court would
कैसे
be in
पहुंच
his
जाएगा?
locality.
No, it depends also. What if the person filing the complaint is district court? He's located in Chandigarh. Then it calls.
If they file it,
It
yeah.
depends on where the
See, I don't
jurisdiction
know,
is, na?
but yeah,
Jurisdiction
मेरी
क्या है?
next month की date है, तो I have to go to Chandigarh for that, which is fucking annoying.
Nice, he finally got a date, huh?
One way or the
Finally this
other.
guy's got a date.
One way or the other.
With Neelam.
Yeah. Neelam's the copper, no? Right.
Throwback to episode number 2.
Yeah.
Yeah, wow. You
Big
remember
one.
the episode numbers? That's great. This is 16, I believe we're recording right now. If I'm not
Correct.
wrong.
That's right. Yeah.
Wow.
Well,
We've
fellas,
come a long time and learned not very much.
4 months, fellas, and going strong. It's weird. It's weird. We've come at a point where our YouTube subscribers exceed our Instagram. That's a small margin, but that's cool.
These friends,
Dude, I've never
these friends these hoes ain't loyal.
These whole
I've barely
our
seen
real
our Instagram, bro.
Our real viewership
No,
is
but I'll tell you
YouTube.
what it is, because we don't post regularly enough, and I don't fucking have the bandwidth to cut up more content. It's
We need to hire someone, bro.
we need to पैसे डाल डालेगा डाल दे क्योंकि
मेरे पास पैसे हैं ही नहीं.
मेरे पास मैं थक गया हूँ डाल के मेरे पास होने को नीचे स्टूडियो लगाने
मेरे
का।
पास नहीं है पैसे.
मेरे पास नहीं है भाई और डालने के लिए
मेरी तरफ मत देखो.
नहीं हम नहीं देख रहे, मैं तभी कह रहा हूँ कि it's fine.
वही तो it's like
We'll
if we
arrive at
earn
one-
something then तभी तो डाल पाएंगे.
नहीं यार, give me a couple of months, let this fucking place be up and running, let revenue come in. And
No, but yeah, but
I
I
will
mean,
have a team eventually, you know.
If the podcast earn money then we can use that money.
podcast earn money की बात नहीं है. There's going to be someone who I'm going to be employing anyway for marketing the space and, you know, other things, and this is just going to be one more task that they have to do. Something under the
Nice.
umbrella. Yeah, exactly. But it's just a matter of time.
Sit through our bullshit.
Yeah, because I'm done chipping in for my savings. I just want some revenue to ताकि कुछ तो well, anyway, whatever. Yeah, we're getting boring. Boo. और क्या?
नहीं guys, hustle करो, पैसा कमाओ.
हाँ.
ये boring क्या है? हम life lessons दे रहे हैं अपने viewers को. Guys, तुम भी करो.
तो तुम
Bro, but हमारी generation कितनी बदनसीब है.
हम जो है
प्रॉपर्टी रेट्स इतने इंसेन हो चुके हैं कि तुम भाई
we
मतलब मैं 30 साल का होने वाला मैं घर नहीं खरीद सकता. क्रेजी ब्रो.
अभी नहीं तो तू भाई 30 साल में तो बंदा कमाई करता है, 40 साल में बंदे घर खरीदते हैं यार.
ब्रो मेरे माँ बाप ने तो खरीद लिया था.
Yeah, that's also different because like they also start their adult life earlier. They got
What are you
married
talking
early.
about? I started
उनके-
working when I was
नहीं.
fucking 20.
नहीं उनके
the same.
उनके genetic strong है, तेरे को गोद जो ले लिया.
नहीं, it's literally a ज़माने का फर्क. Literally, like we cannot earn as much as our parents did relative to the महंगाई. It's just the
ऐसी
reality.
बात बिल्कुल भी नहीं है यार. ऐसी बात बिल्कुल नहीं
ब्रो
है.
तूने रियल एस्टेट के प्राइसेस देखे हैं गुड़गांव में?
यार एक बात बता. There are fucking, you know, YouTubers, content creators out there who are younger than us who have properties and who have.
So, but
there are
that's
people
different.
who you can earn money, man. You know, yeah. Maybe you're talking about.
But that's such a small percentage of people. Like I'm
There's
talking about
always-
regular humans, regular people.
Right. Okay. And maybe you. By the way, you still can afford property, just not where you want it.
Yeah,
That's the problem.
That's true.
That's the problem.
Right.
not where I want.
Yeah. Exactly. That's it. You still can. लेने को तो 30 लाख का घर मिल जाएगा तेरे को.
But
जितना-
मेरे को
also back
बिगाड़
then-
दिया ना.
back then
मैं
less
कहीं और
people
रह
could
नहीं
afford.
सकता.
नहीं, of course यार, वो तो लोकेशन से बहुत फर्क पड़ता है. You know, that's your social
मैं
circle.
या
That's
मैं
your,
कहीं और नहीं रह सकता.
that is status. You know.
But overall also
मैं
back
गाँव
then-
का हूँ, गाँव में ही रहूंगा.
अभी कभी कैलिफोर्निया का है, कभी गांव का है.
कैलिफोर्निया इसका गांव है.
ये काम का पता क्या कर जब तू बोल रहा होता है ना, पहले बता दे कि कौन सी पर्सनालिटी बोल रही तेरी, कि रिफ बोल रहा है, कि रिफ्शु बोल रहा है, कि रोशन, की भाई ऋषभ. तो बता देगा क्योंकि हर पर्सनालिटी की अलग लाइफ स्टोरी है ना.
ये तो मुझे रेशमा लग रही है.
तुम्हारी तुम्हारी ओरिजिन स्टोरी हर जगह अलग है. तो जिस स्प्लिट पर्सनालिटी, जिस ब्रेन न्यूरॉन से फायर हो रहा है, बता दिया कर उनको. You know, it's good to, you know.
तो एक तो तुमने
Because I'm guessing, you know, I'm non-stop guessing.
खुद पता हो तो
For the-
खबर दे.
It's for the sake of the audience, you know, yeah.
हम ही ट्रैक रख नहीं पा रहे, वो बेचारी क्या
ब्रो
रखे.
आज तो तुमने दाढ़ी के साथ बैठा दिया मेरे को. अब मैं
अबे
भद्दा लग
तेरी
रहा हूँ.
हल्के से स्टबल क्या आ गई, तुझे लगा है तू जो पता नहीं कौन बन गया है.
हाँ, जो एक औरत इसको देख रही थी.
And I'm telling
उसने भी देखना
but
बंद
he's
कर दिया.
looking better with this. I think his clean shaven is his worst look.
No, you're
Yes.
wrong. Clean shaven is my best look.
I
No.
don't agree.
Muche is
Very
second
Muche
best.
is best
But
look. Muche is best look.
often I'll tell you what.
Muche could be
Muche is best look.
best look.
Often you do get too cleaned up. You know, you're too clean. And
Yeah,
a
too
bit of-
chikna.
a bit of a grunge is I like that more. You definitely seem more masculine. You know, you seem too clean. You know, it's one of those.
अपेक्षा ने क्या बोला था?
You know,
तू
like,
feminine लग रहा था.
It's the white boy with the boat shoes and all of that. You know, मेरे को वो vibe आती है कभी-कभी जब तू आता है.
Me?
Yes.
I'm from the hood. What do you mean white boy with board shoes?
That's the vibe I get because you wear this like, you know,
You the widest boy in the hood.
fitting tee, all clean shit, बाल ऐसे बने हुए. Like भाई तू कहाँ कोई रंडे
Yeah.
पे चल, you know, that's the vibe. But this is better, I think, a little bit. But
There you go.
who am I? I'm, you know, you're not trying to fucking
No, I'm taking.
get my ass.
Yeah.
See, I'm not saying
I
your
feel
clean shaven is bad, but comparatively, it's your worst look.
No, it's not your worst look. I'm
What
just
is
saying
worst?
worst look. वो एक तो चप्पल पहन के आता है, मेरे को बिल्कुल नहीं पसंद. भाई अगर मेरे
मैं
if
सिर्फ-
you
मैं
make
सिर्फ
me, if you
शक्ल
make
और-
me God Emperor, I will outlaw adult men over the age of 18 to walk outside their home without shoes on. You are
Socks and slippers.
fucking
fuck you, by the
illegal.
way.
Illegal fines. I will fine you,
I
and
am-
after the third fine, I'll chop your.
I have
toes off.
shoes in my car.
I am
just put
only
them
talking
on.
about. I'm only
No, but
talking
that's
about
if I'm-
face and hair
I'm kidding, I'm
situation.
kidding.
तुमको
you're not.
impress नहीं करना तो मैं जूते
No,
नहीं
you're
पहन.
not.
But I have spare shoes in my car. कि like just in case मेरे को जूतों की जरूरत पड़े तो मेरे पास हैं जूते.
It's so retarded. it's so fucking nuts. It's so retarded. It's
Bro,
very
if I
nice.
got this every time I walked up in socks and slippers, which by the way is a fatal mistake I'd never
spare
make.
shoes, you have a pair of shoes because you wear it flip flops. It's not a spare. It's the only pair you have. You know, spare would imply
No, but they stay in the car.
Spare
They never
footwear,
leave
spare
the car.
footwear,
Is what I meant. Like अगर मैं घर से जूते पहन के निकल रहा हूँ तो मैं अपने घर के वाले जूते पहनूंगा. But अगर suddenly मेरे को जूतों की जरूरत पड़ गई.
मुझे भी पता है, मैं भी एक दो घड़ियां लेके घूमता हूँ फालतू की.
Right, same vibe.
I can't not.
Same vibe. भाई घड़ी से याद आया मेरे को वो Rolex खरीदनी है bro. I feel like I'll have achieved
That's
success once I own a watch like that.
That's definitely.
So you'll go out with your family, you'll be wearing like this nice
But the one
family
I sent
dinner
you-
watch, and you'll be like, oh, there's bitches here. You'll change your watch to over.
Yeah,
Yeah,
I'll do that.
but
No,
Yeah.
it's not in my pocket, but it is there for occasions, for example. You know? Yeah. And
Yeah.
often also, you know, when you go meet clients and stuff, you want to dress down a little bit. ताकि उनको लगे मैं थोड़ा गरीब हूँ, ताकि
Dude, same. I feel like
I always.
bro, same. मेरे को लगता है कि कभी-कभार when I go meet this guy marketing
भाई,
वाला,
मत
he will
पहन।
charge me more because I'm going in a Mercedes.
हाँ, बिल्कुल.
You know,
absolutely होता
मेरे को बहुत बार लगता है ये.
है. बिल्कुल होता है, absolutely होता है.
And you want to act more
हाँ, so
fakir.
you dress a little humble, you know, like, oh, it's a.
Drive a humble car,
it's a no-
dress more humble.
I only have $1 billion.
100% agree.
yeah.
I 100%
actually,
agree.
only 1.1 billion is not like.
Yeah, I'm only a millionaire. I don't have billions, you know. That's the fucking flex. Sorry, that's the idea.
But you don't even know flex, bro. When I graduated, उस time पे they were friends of
Dark day
mine.
for humanity. Yes.
You know, by the way, you know what he said? You don't even know flex. Like, what does that mean?
You don't know. You don't know.
You don't even know about flexing, man. You know.
हाँ तो
He's gonna re-educate
Dude,
us.
there
He's
was
gonna
a
tell
time.
us what
There
it
was a
means.
time when he was going through his infamous breakup. Where
Which one?
never mind.
Where you know, and he
Netflix.
he didn't know what flexing was. I taught you what the fucking word flexing was. This was at Jay's party. I even remember when he's like, "What does that mean?" I'm like, "Dude, flex on her. You know that you're fucking, you know, getting other, shit."
He taught you
I
flexing.
taught him what flexing is. Like,
And
don't
you
even-
had the
Yeah, the
disrespect.
fucking ball.
The fucking
The
gall.
The gall, right? The ball.
Oh my god.
Bro,
The
first of all,
disrespect.
Let me explain myself.
On my mom's,
On
yo.
my mobs, yo.
Let me explain myself. That
You
time,
better.
that time I was living with a bunch of preppy white boys in an apartment.
Yes.
I hadn't moved into the hood yet.
You was a white boy.
Yeah,
This guy, bro. That's pretty funny.
I'm being serious. I'm being as serious as possible.
Yeah, we know.
Try harder.
I didn't, and that time also I hadn't fully like assimilated into American culture.
Blackness. Yes.
You will never fully assimilate into American culture. Motherfucker.
Damn, bro, you sound like my neighbors.
Rattle.
Right on, man.
Yeah.
As I sip my beer.
Yeah. All right, it's been a good one, huh?
Get off my front porch.